Web browser. It is a software application that resides on your PC and can display text, images, and multimedia data found on different web pages. It allows you to specify a web page, navigate using links, and bookmark your favorite web pages. The commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. Do you know information on a website is accessed by using the Internet application called the browser? Hyperlinks. These are links to another section of the website. They are called hyperlinks. A hyperlink is a mechanism by which a web page is linked to another related web page. Text images can be made into hyperlinks. A hyperlink is usually underlined. If you move your mouse over a hyperlink, cursor will usually change into the shape of a hand. Clicking on the hyperlink takes you to a different page. Search engine. A web search engine is a website that helps you search for information on the World Wide Web. The search results are usually presented as a list of links. The links may point to text, images, audio, or video files. Email. Email means sending and receiving mails electronically using computers. Email is similar to writing letters and is a quick way of keeping in touch with other people. Some websites provide email service to send and receive email. The website that provides the service is called the email service provider. E-commerce. Electronic commerce is a type of industry where the buying and selling of products or services is conducted over electronic systems such as the Internet and other computer networks. It draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic funds transfer, supply chain management, Internet marketing, online transaction processing, electronic data interchange, inventory management systems, and automated data collection systems. E-shopping. Online shopping is the process whereby consumers directly buy goods or services from a seller in real time, without any intermediary services over the Internet. It is a form of electronic commerce. The process is called business to consumer, online shopping. Some of the popular shopping websites are www.walmart.com, www.amazon.com, www.ebay.com, www.rediff.com. Fact file. Computer protocol is a set of rules that enables computers to connect with one another and to exchange and share resources. Discuss it. How is video conferencing better than teleconferencing? E-education, commonly referred to as online education, is a process of learning online. Whether you are a high school student or a graduate college student, a person looking to expand technical skills, or a retiree who simply wants to learn more, Internet learning provides a boundary-free way to broaden your horizons. The flexibility of online learning is particularly helpful for working professionals who want to return to school but need to remain employed to support their families. E-commerce payment system. An e-commerce payment system facilitates the acceptance of electronic payment for online transactions, also known as a sample of electronic data interchange. There are numerous different payment systems available on online merchants. These include the traditional credit, debit, and charge card, but also new technologies such as digital wallets, e-cash, mobile payment, and e-checks. Chat and instant messaging. Chat and instant messaging programs allows you to have conversations with your friends or just write them a quick note. Two examples are Yahoo Messenger and Microsoft Messenger. Some sites such as Gmail and Facebook allow you to chat within your browser. Internet safety rules. S. Safe. Keep safe by not giving personal information while using internet. Personal information includes email ID, house address, photos, phone number, and password. M. Meetup. Meet online friends only in the presence of an adult family member. A. Accept. Accept emails and messages only from people whom you know. Be aware of viruses and spam messages. Reliability. All the information on the internet may not be correct. Check the reliability of the information with other resources such as books, websites, or someone who knows. Tell. Tell your teacher, adult family member if you or someone you know is uncomfortable about an online communication. Do you know? Information on the web is created by many people. Anyone can create the information and share it on the web. Never give your personal information while you are searching and browsing. Only in rare cases about which you will learn later, it is okay to give personal information. Recall. Computers in organization have been used to extract information. The internet is a worldwide network of computers. Internet allows us to communicate with the people sitting at remote locations. Shareable information on the internet is called the World Wide Web. Web is a collection of millions of pages of information. The location where the information is available on the web is called a website. A website is a collection of related web pages. The commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. A hyperlink is a mechanism by which a web page is linked to another related web page. A web search engine is a website that helps you search for information on the World Wide Web. Email means sending and receiving mails electronically using computers. E-education, commonly referred to as online education, is the process of learning online. An e-commerce payment system facilitates the acceptance of electronic payment for online transactions. Chat and instant messages program allows you to have conversations with your friends or just write them a